Hey Brush Me Up fam, welcome back. Today we're going to cover this clean girl but make it bridal, so it's a natural glam look. This is an eye tutorial. We're going to take our Makeup by Mario Essentials palette. This is a complete matte look, very clean. I've already primed the lids with my favorite full coverage concealer to prime the lids, which is Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using this cream to pat on with a fluffy brush to set it. Using this second color to the cream, I'm starting to deepen the crease. Just ever so softly, going in circles and a window wiper motion. I'm now taking this medium brown and focusing on the outer V, the greater outer V, going around her orbital bone and using tiny circles, blending it ever so slightly into that light brown transition. Using this darker brown, I'm now focusing on concentrating the outer V. Seems like a lot of browns. Is it redundant? No. It adds depth. We're blending that in into the other browns. Now I'm using the cream and the peach tone shadow. We're patting it into about 3/4 of the eye. This is going to open up the eye and complete the eyeshadow look. This is the part that keeps it clean. It doesn't look like there's any shadow there. Taking the Makeup Forever Aqua Seal and dipping it into the dark brown, I'm going to just wiggle that ever so slightly on her upper lash line. That's going to act as my eyeliner. I am now defining the upper lash line, curling the lashes. This is the next step. You can always ask your client if they're comfortable with curling your own lashes. Now I'm tight lining using the Aqua Seal again. This is going to make it waterproof. I ask clients to close their eyes if they're not comfortable with this part. Disposable spoolies usually, and whatever mascara that's waterproof I like to add into my kit. I'm using my Sephora lash adhesive. It's also waterproof. I've already pre-cut and measured before doing this step to apply the lashes. At this point, I've finished everything, base, contour, and now I'm finishing up the eyes again, opening up the inner tear ducts with this nice shimmery white. And then our talented hairstylist slash friend from Shampoo Society did this gorgeous modern sleek bun on her. And this is our bridal room. This is the before and after of what I posted on Instagram. She's just so stunning. Working it. Yes. Clean girl, natural glam. There you go. So this was from our bridal editorial, and I did film the day in the life of a bridal editorial shoot.